Well, I'm excited to be here. I do a lot of traveling and kind of discovered this ZBook, which is perfect for traveling, and I'm kind of excited about that and the way I work. Pretty unusual to get everything in one. You turn it sideways and it's a big sketchbook, and really excited.
This is a good opportunity to show the pen, so I'm just going to unplug my mouse and flip this around. And that's kind of the strong suit of this laptop. It's pretty cool.
I'm really happy with the performance of the Studio X360. It's really powerful, and that makes a lot of difference when you are doing stuff that's extremely computationally intensive.